Mulberries have been one of my favorite tree for a long time. I have always been so amazed at how much fruit they are capable of producing. In this video, we are going to see how to grow mulberries trees from cuttings. For those who are still wondering why they should plant mulberries, the mulberry yield fruits within a couple of months of planting, and it takes up little space and can be potted and maintained at about 1 to 2 feet high and still bear lots of fruit. And the staggered pruning will ensure a constant supply of berries. The more you prune, the more fruit you get. It is a great plant to have. And without wasting time, we are going to see how to cut the mulberry and how to grow the mulberry from cuttings. In the first step, you select a few semi-ripe cuttings. And in the second step, trim off the top, leaving about 8 to 10 inches for each cuttings. If considerable time has passed between the time of pruning and the time it is planted, cut off about 1 centimeter of the bottom of the cutting and neck. It should look fresh. If it does not, cut off a bit at a time until you see the evidence of freshness. In the third step, you remove all the bigger leaves if present in the cuttings. After that, dip ends of cuttings into pruning powder. It's an optional, but it improves the chances of growing roots very fastly. After that, you fill pots with soil. Here I am using compost and the soil mix. After that, you plant the cuttings into the pot. Just by gently press the soil using your finger to make holes and place the cuttings inside this hole. After that, place the pot in a shaded place and water once a day. Do not disturb the cuttings or fertilize for at least a few months. If you like my video, don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.